What's happening, everybody? Biker Dave here. Finished up with the fender flares on this H3. For those of you curious of what they look like, I think they look fantastic. They're probably the most factory looking of all the aftermarket fender flares. These are from E&G. Unfortunately, the company is discontinuing this part, so if you want to get them, you have to special order them, and I think it's a very limited time. This is as of February 7th, 2021. But as you can see, they look fantastic. And yeah, similar to the Championship Edition H3 that you may have seen. It's very rare, limited edition H3. This is just an H3 Alpha luxury model. But really looks great. And when I wear these tires out, I'm going to go a little bit wider so they'll stick out a little bit more on the side there. But these tires are still got a lot of life left on them. But that's the plan for the future. Installing them is really not very difficult at all. You just need a proper tool to be able to remove the the little plastic rivets right there, those little guys there that are in various locations around the perimeter of the thing. And this, on the door side here, you have to actually use supplied screws with a tiny drill bit and just screw them in place. I mean, it's that simple. Just make sure you line them up properly. Make sure you mock it up, so when you put it next to the other one, make sure it lines up properly. Otherwise, you might have it too far in or too far out, and it'll have a big old variant there between the two joints. I also got the mud flaps that come with it, but I'm not sure if I want to put those on yet, or if I'm going to at all, actually. I'm just not sure, I wasn't blown away by how the mud flaps would look on it. So I don't know if I'm going to. Here's the other side here, but yeah, really not a difficult install. I mean, it helps if you have a drill and that special tool to be able to install, or to remove those little plastic rivets. You really can't. I mean, you could use a screwdriver, and the good thing is the new assembly comes with brand new plastic rivets, so you could destroy the old ones if you wanted to. But yeah, really happy with how this looked. Totally gives the vehicle an even better look, in my opinion. And so yeah, we've got other videos. We did replace the side marker assemblies. This thing has a whole new tune-up and mass airflow sensor. Looking really good. And if you're familiar, the Alpha, is the V8. Comes with a V8, little 5.3, which I really like. I also did the Diablo Sport performance tuner, and it is definitely a benefit. Definitely. I mean, it drives better, transmission shifts at better points. Gas mileage maybe a little bit better, but overall performance is definitely better. So check out our other videos on this vehicle. And yeah, if you're looking for one of these, I would definitely recommend the Alpha model. If you can find them, they're kind of hard to find, or they're way overpriced depending on where you live. I had to get this one all the way from Dallas, Texas, and have it shipped here to Atlanta, Georgia. So yeah. But yeah, I know it's rained on and drippy right now, but the paint is still excellent in this thing. Really pleased with how this guy looks. Anywho, that's it. Just wanted to show you real quick what the flares look like. If you can find them, make sure you get them quickly, because they, to my knowledge, they're being discontinued and will be pretty much impossible to find. So that's it. Check out other videos. Y'all have a good day. Super Bowl Sunday is today, so y'all have a good one. See ya.